Assalamu alaikum. What's up, friends? Today we will make gulab jamun. This is a milk-based sweet originating in the India subcontinent and a type of dessert popular in Nepal, India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Some people say it comes from Iran, but some others say it was accidentally prepared by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. But who cares? It's delicious, but warning, very high sugar, so don't eat too much. Let's start with our recipe. I took 1 cup of dried milk. Feel free to take khoya or mawa powder as well. I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder in it, as that will help my gulab jamun to create internal bonding. I added 1 egg for the smoothness and internal taste. Egg is really important for sponginess and firmness as well. Then I added 1 tablespoon of ghee for the moisture and shine. Now take a look at the ingredients. That's actually a carbs bomb. So as I said, don't eat too much, but I'm sure you cannot stop your hand. Then I mixed it all together to make a rough dough. Note that I haven't added any water, but if you feel your dough is too dry, feel free to add a spoon or 2 of warm milk. Mix them with soft hands, otherwise they will not be spongy. Take a look at this. Now roll it into a shape like this so that you can cut it into equal pieces. When you start preparing the dough, you can also prepare your sugar syrup or shira, a very important step. I'll use 2 cups of water as it will make enough syrup to be used with 10 to 12 gulab jamun. Then I took 1¼ cups of white sugar. Remember, carbs bomb is what I'm going to prepare. Let's add 2 to 3 cardamoms. Great taste and fragrance. Here comes the most important and most expensive spice, saffron. It will give your syrup a hay-like fragrance and a beautiful color. Highly recommended for desserts. For some more color, I'm using yellow food color, just 2 drops, not more than that. Mix it. Then I added ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. Why? For avoiding crystallization in our sugar syrup. Believe me, you won't like crystals stuck with your gulab jamun. Mix this all together and let it boil. As soon as it boils, turn the stove to a very low flame. You just want your syrup warm but not too hot. Let's make small balls for frying. Cut your dough into 12 small pieces. Take 1 piece to your hand. Keep rolling it. Don't press really hard. Make sure in the end you don't have cracks in your ball. The reason for no cracks is so that your gulab jamun doesn't break while you're frying. Take a look at the ball. It's smooth and shiny. Now comes a step for frying. Gulab jamun is deep fried, but the oil shouldn't be too warm. Here is the test. Take a small ball and put it in the oil. If it comes up slowly, your oil is warm enough. If it gets brown quickly, it's too hot. Don't put your balls in it. It will get the brown color from outside but will be uncooked from inside. Put all the balls in it and wait until all of them come to the surface. Keep rotating with a spoon. Note that I'm not turning the balls upside down. I'm just stirring the oil. Just push the gulab jamun in the oil but don't press them. Keep rolling until the gulab jamun is fully cooked. It's your choice. Some people like it light brown. Some people like it dark. I would do medium. Take a look at the color. I like this one. It's not very dark, not too light. Now take your fried gulab jamun and make sure to just strain the oil out of them. Now put all of them in the syrup we prepared earlier. Let them be soaked for at least 2 hours. Reason: because we want to make sure the taste of our syrup gets mixed with the gulab jamun. Our gulab jamun is ready. Now, as you know, my mission is to share the food recipes with the whole world, but I would not recommend you to eat more than 1 or 2 pieces. Stay healthy and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.